Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Welcome to our quick training session on the Bullish Kicker signal, one of the high profit, high probability candlestick signals. The kicker signal has a strong relevant factor that can be easily identified. There's a trend, and then the last candle that opened here and closed here, the kicker signal is created by a gap up that opens at or above the previous day's candle and goes bullish. It is called the kicker signal because you can see how the investor sentiment has been kicked in the opposite direction, and the strength of this signal usually creates a good strong uptrend. The reason the kicker signal is so strong is because the gap is built into the signal. Remember, a gap in a price movement shows dramatic strength one way or the other in investor sentiment. Knowing this allows an investor to not be hesitant about witnessing a kicker signal and buying immediately. A lot of people say, well, I don't want to buy when a stock's up 5, 10, 30, 80%. You can when you see a kicker signal in progress. When that signal has that gap up built into it, it obviously shows there's a dramatic change of investor sentiment, which is usually has the strength behind it to result in a very strong uptrend. Where most candlestick signals you want to see occur, especially a bullish signal, occur when the stochastics are in the oversold area. The strength of a kicker signal is strong enough that it doesn't matter where the stochastics are or where you are in the trend. The strength of the signal will still indicate there's been a major change of investor sentiment. However, the more facets you can add to your analysis, like a close on the 50 and a gap up through the resistance level, creating a kicker signal above the T-line, the more elements you can add into a visual analysis, the higher the probability your uptrend has started. The bigger the signal, like any of the other candlestick signals, the more compelling there's been a major change of investor sentiment. The true kicker signal shouldn't have a shadow. It should open and move positive. However, a small shadow still with that big bullish candle indicates there's been a major change of investor sentiment. You should see a lot more upside. You add the strength of a kicker signal applied to your visual analysis of another candlestick pattern, the more relevant that pattern breakout has occurred. The candlestick signals, the 12 major signals, are all strong indicators of reversals. The bullish signal, the bullish kicker signal, is one of the strongest, if not the strongest, individual candlestick signal showing a change of investor sentiment. Thank you for listening.